So today I will be showing you a very cheap and easy way to get images from the NOAA weather satellites. All you're going to need is one of those USB SDR dongles. This is just an R820T and an RTL2832U one, just a standard sort of one. But I've just modified the antenna with a connector block and I've soldered that on so I can put any antenna on that I want. And you'll need to cut yourself a piece of wire 2.081 meters long. That's what 137.1, that's the frequency they're on. And you'll need a laptop. And what you're going to do is change your power settings so that when you close the lid it doesn't go to sleep or turn off. And then you'll hold the laptop under your arm and you'll have your earphones in. And then basically what you'll do is you'll have your antenna on the end of a long stick, and you'll basically just be sort of waving that around to get the best signal. And it does work. I've tried it before. I think 2 years ago I used to do it, so I wanted to start doing it again. So I'm going to cut the antenna because the weather satellite is going to be here soon. It's going to be in range just shortly. I'm in the UK just there. The new version of SDR Sharp actually has the IF bandwidth of narrowband FM to narrow, so you need to go into the sdrsharp.exe.config and look for this key, and you need to change it to 34,000. I changed it to 38,000 because the signal does move frequency as the satellite approaches you and moves away. So that's all done. I should be able to get up to 36 kilohertz. You need to have NFM and put it to 36. It should work now. Yes, there we go. So I should be able to I'll put it to 38. So satellite is just about here, so it's time to get outside. And one last thing, you want to record the audio and just select audio under the recording option there, 16-bit PCM. Right then, so this is the complete setup. The laptop will be under my right arm closed, and antenna will be under my left arm, and I'll just be holding it up. But you may need to open the laptop at times to adjust the frequency. That's the only problem. So that's going to result in noise in your image because you're moving around. But this is the cheapest way you can get satellite images. So the satellite is in range now, so I'm going to get going. Right, here we go. This is what you should be hearing. You can't even see anything there, but that's me getting a signal very strong. That's working really well. Satellite pass is now done. Well, all that I could receive of it anyway. Perhaps if I went up the top of Falkland Hill, which is way over in that direction, a big hill, I'd be able to get a much better signal. I've been up there with a radio before and you get all kinds of signals. But you'll find your recordings just in the SDR Sharp program folder. I could go back and have a look. So seem not too bad. Now what you need to do is find a program that can decode the images. So you need either APT decoder or WX to image. I'll go get those just now. So this is a program here. It doesn't always work, so you want to go to File and then Open Audio, and then just open the file. I should have it in here. Right, and it's a larger one. There we go. And that should hopefully decode. I was having trouble getting a hold of APT decoder, but if WXDIMM doesn't work, like sometimes it says the wrong satellite type up the top when you try to decode the audio file, and then it just, well, it doesn't work. And this has happened. This has happened for some reason. This is APT decoder. It uses a very old file picker, but if we go to audio, actually, maybe that's better. So I'm just trying to find the file. It's going to be one of these. Yeah, that's what the problem is. You'll need to get Audacity actually, and get the sample rate to 11,025 Hertz. I think that's a limitation with this one. So I'll go do that just now. Right then, finally, here's the result after resampling with Audacity, and as you can see, it's a really nice clear image. Although the only thing is, put the overlays in the wrong place, and it's saying that it's NOAA 17, but that was actually NOAA 19 I was receiving. So we'll try and see how it comes out in APT decoder. Okay, so this is at decoding. You also need to change it to mono if you're using SDR sharp to record it. What you can also do is have Audacity running along with SDR sharp and just recording the stereo mix output device in your sound settings, and just set it to mono. And to be honest, that's the easiest way, because you can just record at 11,025 Hertz anyway, and that'll come out okay and be just ready to use. But as you can see, it's darker and the image comes out upside down. So we could just export it. See if it's portable network graphics or bitmap, because JPEG is shit. So there we go. On the right we have our visible light, and on the left we have infrared, and not too bad.